Hey guys, welcome back to Raymond Wizard. Today we're gonna do an OBS tutorial on how to add your webcam to your OBS. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so in OBS, assuming you already have it installed, we're gonna click this icon under sources. So left click this, and then left click the option video capture device. You can name it if you want to. Just call it, for example, webcam. Click enter once you have entered the name. As you can see, it's already selected my C920 Pro webcam. So if it doesn't show your webcam, what you can do is click the drop down just there, and then left click on your correct camera, whether it's a webcam or a DSLR. I'm using the C920 by the way, guys. Okay, so after we added our webcam, we want to adjust the resolution. So go down to resolution and FPS type, and now select custom, and then I want to select for the resolution 1920 by 1080. Yours might be 4K or whatever. For the FPS, you want to match your FPS. So if you're shooting at 60 frames a second, or put your webcam at 60 frames per second, and if you're filming in 30 frames a second, well, it's gonna be 30 frames a second. That's why I'm recommend to you max output FPS. And then for the video format, I'm gonna select MJPEG, and then for the color space, I'm gonna select 709, and for the color range, I'm gonna set that from default to full. So there we go, guys. We've added our webcam into OBS Studio, and as you can see my face now. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is go down here to configure video. Just underneath your webcam there should be a configure video. You click on configure video, and then it will open your webcam's settings. It may look different depending on what webcam you're using. I'm using the Logitech C920, and right now it looks alright. It's a bit too shiny on my face, but we're gonna tweak the settings. In my experience, I don't need to touch anything here except for the game, folks. So my personal experience, I only need to adjust the game. You may need to adjust the right balance, your saturation and that, but I need to do that in OBS automatically, folks. So I'm gonna leave these except for the game. I'm gonna make that about 60. There we go. I think 16 looks good. And from the flicker, 50 hertz is good in my opinion. So from the camera control, I'd recommend if it does auto focus on your camera, untick autofocus because autofocus can harm your CPU a bit. So if I do not turn the camera, it focuses back on me. Me personally, I like everything in focus, folks. So also that focus to be like that. And the exposure, I always turn that auto off, and I leave it at 5. And I also untick no night thingy, and then I click apply, and as you see, I've done something to my face. Well, I'm gonna go back to video block, and then I'll just it so it's mine icon. So that's just nice. Again, you may need to work in the right balance, folks, and you won't have the same settings as I've got, folks. So I'm gonna click apply and then OK. And as you see, the webcam is looking so much better than before, folks, already. So I'm gonna click OK now. And as you see, there's no flickering going on. I will recommend, guys, good lighting, folks. So always have really good lighting, folks. Okay, now what we want to do, or what I want to do, you may be all good, is I notice this really like pale. It just doesn't show me natural skin color, and the shirt looks really pale as well. So what we're gonna and now is if we click on the webcam source and then go to filters, and then also move this here so you can see what it's doing to me. Okay, so in the effect filters, I like to click the plus sign and then go to color correction. Click OK. Now in color correction, I like to turn the gamma down a bit. So I will adjust that, and as you see, spinning them deep blacks. So I'm gonna set it to be like that. Then the contrast will just not up a bit, and about 12 looks good for me. And for the saturation, you only need to add a little bit, folks, so don't do too much, otherwise you get a rainy, creepy effect, folks. And I don't know about you, but this just, oh, that looks so scary. Or you may want a black and white camera, folks, so up to you. But like I said, I mine about -4, so I'll adjust that to -4, and I'm pretty much so set, folks. You're now ready to stream or record videos, folks. So as you see, it looks so much better than before. Okay guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this OBS tutorial. If you want to see more on this, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. And if this video helped you out, like it, folks, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.